Hello everyone. Today I will share with you a SEKI Rain stainless steel. Then there is a patch of the corresponding umbrella. This toy, from the release to now, the heat is also relatively high. Then as a very powerful and ruthless character in the spinning card push, is also recognized by some markets. Let's take a look at a basic feel of this one. So here's some of its accessories. As usual, SEKI is one of its lunchbox packing boxes. The weight is still very solid. Wow, pretty is very beautiful. Rain with umbrella. Perfect match. This is one of its factory configurations. Whirlpool's knife drop hasn't arrived yet. The Vortex knife drop is indeed a very good match with this Dow. What about it in Fancy in the rhythm? To be honest, it's really different. What about such a feel from the factory at present? To be honest, there is nothing special. So maybe by adjusting, able to achieve a better feeling. There's a mosaic here, which is quite nice. Good. Today's simple unboxing is SEKI's Rain. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next show.